Here are the sales results for the second quarter of 2023 non-performing loan offerings. Our first trade of this quarter was closed on May 8th. It was a single non-performing second position loan that had a principal balance of $80,465. We sold it to the buyer for $36,800, which worked out to 45.7% of the balance owed by the borrower. My sales fee on the deal was $4,048 or 11%. That was our highest fee from this quarter, and you can learn more about how to earn fees like that for yourself in our Mastermind exclusive course, the Mortgage Note Matchmaker. Next, another deal closed on the same day was a package of 3 non-performing second liens with a total principal balance of $70,661. This was sold for a package of $19,000 or only 26.9% of the principal balance. These loans were a little lower quality. Some of the senior liens weren't as current on their pay strings, and there wasn't quite as much equity as that first deal. In addition to the discount being because it was multiple assets and not just a single loan in the contract. The sales fee on this deal was only $950 or 5% of the contract price. Our next deal was closed on May 22nd, another one-off deal, a non-performing second lien that sold for $9,500 or 24.6% of the principal balance of $38,642. This was the lowest sales fee of $285. And then finally, we've got a really good one sold at 82% of the principal balance. That was another one-off non-performing second position loan that sold on the last day of May for $59,738. Now, this was a premium quality second lien because the current senior and the equity and the state being in California demanded a much higher price. These were all part of a competitive auction to our Mortgage Note Mastermind members, and the 82 cents on the dollar bid took it home this time, earning me a 5% fee or $2,900. And then finally, we closed our last deal of the quarter on June 30th. There was a 32 loan package of non-performing first liens and second liens, a principal balance of $792,000 across the whole package, and we sold it for $405,000 or 51% of the principal balance. On this one, I earned a sales fee of over $12,000 or just 3%, but as the volume was much better, it was a significant sales fee. So this quarter, we sold just north of $1 million of principal balance for $530,000 of contract price, or around 50 cents on the dollar, earning us $20,440 or an average sales fee of 3.9%. Now, this quarter wasn't quite as good as last quarter, where we actually earned $91,000 of sales fees. And you can see that's due to a couple of things here. The purchase percentage of UPB was higher in the previous offering, and I wouldn't say that's necessarily because the market has changed, but more because the assets that were offered in these offerings were higher quality loans. Now, that's kind of the ebb and flow of the market, and we do expect to see some more high quality non-performing loans coming to our Mortgage Note Mastermind members for non-performing loan offerings in this month and next month as well. We're doing an every other month cadence, plus we've got some additional opportunities from other sellers that are part of the Mastermind group. So I'm very excited to invite you to join the Mortgage Note Mastermind membership. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out, see what you think, and a 90-day money-back guarantee if you don't see your path to earning your first $1,000 a month of passive income in the note business, or if you've already started, if you don't see the path to doubling your business using the resources and information that we provide within the group. So if you have any questions at all, leave them below in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to the FIXnotes channel for the very best content in the secondary mortgage market.